Alright guys, so every morning I look at my fish tank just to check, like, everybody's still alive, all that stuff. And this morning when I looked in, I used to have two snails. One of them did unfortunately die. And, well, I had three, but two of the three kept laying eggs. And the one that died was the one that was laying eggs. So I'm assuming that was like a natural thing, whatever. And none of the eggs have been hatching, and I read that like it doesn't take very long, so I kind of just left them in there because I was like, okay, if they haven't hatched by now, they're not going to. There's also shit on my eye. So I was like, whatever, I'm just gonna leave them in there because I already cleaned out the whole tank once and got rid of all the eggs and like boiled it and everything. So I was like, whatever, like I'm sure it's fine, like that snail was sick or whatever. That was about 2 weeks ago. And everything that I read, it takes like 2 to 7 days for them to hatch. So this is after 2 weeks. I'm looking in my fish tank. Let me introduce everybody real quick to you guys so you know everybody, because I don't think I've done that yet. I don't know if I've shown my fish tank, but I love it. I'm in love with my fish tank. Let me show it. So the yellow fish right here, that's Lightning. And then Ramon is this pretty orange fish too. I love them. They follow each other around. They'll play tag. They'll give each other kisses. They're literally so cute together. They won't leave each other's side. And I love it because Ramon kind of looks like he has tiger stripes. And then Lightning kind of looks like he has cheetah spots. So I think that's cool, but I do have a Cars theme. I would have had like a jungle theme if I knew I was gonna get these. Ooh, I was gonna get these too, but then I got Betsy. She's a snail. She's right here. And then Squish is the only one without a Cars themed name, if I can find it. I don't know, boy, girl, whatever. I think snails are kind of like non-gender, whatever. Haha, Squish is up here in the little corner. So that's Squish. And then I have one more fish. He is an algae eater. His name's Mater. Oh, he's right there. You guys see him? Where's my finger? He's right there, sucking on the algae. And his name is Mater. And then when I looked at my fish tank today, oh my gosh, see, I already lost him. I literally just had him on the side of the tank. He's already somewhere else. Little speck right there is a little baby snail. And so I guess when I get home today, I'm gonna get rid of the rest of the eggs so I don't have another snail outbreak, but I'm okay with the one. That's okay. Look at all my little critters. They're all so cute. I love this fish tank. Also, my little giraffe fell in, so like, kind of mad about that. But guys, I just woke up to check on my fishes again, and it's probably really hard to see, but let's see, where are they all? Oh my god. I have, oh, they're so small. You can't even see them on camera. There's 1, 2, 3. Look at the, oh, now you can see them. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. There's a whole, oh, fuck. I have so many little baby snails. Shoot. Oh, there's even more in the corner right there. And down here. Oh, fuck. Oh, look how cute they are. Shoot. I have a massive amount of snails. I need to get the rest of those eggs out of there. So here's the update on my snail problem. They're literally everywhere. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I wanted to show you guys my fish tank because I cleared out all the baby snails. Unfortunately, I did have to just dispose of them. I just thought I saw another one real quick, but I don't think I did. I don't really know what that is. I think that's snail poopies. I don't really know how I got there. like why it's just sticking there. But anyway, I found Squish. So that's, oh, here's my finger. That's Squish right there on top of the rock. I couldn't find him for 3 days. I cleared out the whole tank, didn't find him, waited overnight, put the filter back on here this morning. He was inside the filter, and luckily I didn't drain the filter, so there was water in there so he could survive. But if I would have dumped it out, he would have died. So I'm really glad I didn't, and he's still with us because I just love all my fishies. There's Betsy, Squish, Lightning, and Ramon, and then Mater is in here somewhere. I don't know where though. He's always like the hardest to find. But Mater's somewhere in here as well. And it's just cloudy right now because I just put the rocks in, so they need time to like settle. But I'm gonna feed them some, I got them some treats because they had to sit in that tank overnight and I feel really bad. So I got them some fish treats as well. And I'm gonna put some algae in there. The tank is back in order. No more baby snails, hopefully like forever. Like I hope I never get them again. But I'm just gonna have to pay attention because that was chaos. And I feel really bad that I had to dispose of them, but there was really no other way to do it. Like I tried, there was just too many of them and they were literally the size of like dirt. So I couldn't even like scoop them up. But that's my happy fish family. All right, I'm gonna feed them these bloodworms. I don't know. I wanna see if they'll actually like go for them. So let's shake them in. That was probably too many. I think you're supposed to give them like one, but are they gonna go for it? Oh, 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 I think Lightning sees them, but Lightning doesn't like to go away from Ramon. So Ramon, come on. Do something. Oh no. Guys, I got you gross, nasty, dried up bloodworms. Come eat them. No? I get nothing from you? Oh, 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 oh! Yay! Can they eat them? Are they too big? Do I need to like crush them up? Did I just give them something they can't eat? Oh, 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 oh. I'm trying. Well, at least it's physical activity. I wonder if they can see their reflection. Probably not. Well, they don't, they're not seeming to. Ramon hasn't even like noticed the bloodworms, so I don't know what his deal is, but Lightning's getting it, kind of. What y'all doing? Oh my God, they're so cute. I could literally sit here and watch them for hours, but I just went to the gym and I haven't eaten yet today and it's like 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna eat. Hopefully my little fish friends will eat too. I got some garbage bags. I made, okay, so Remy Cruz, Remy Ashton, whatever, the YouTuber, I love her and she made this vegan pasta dish and I made it and oh my God, it's so fucking good. Let me show it to you guys. Like, holy shit. And it really was pretty simple to make. You can see we literally ate all that last night. But it's just cashews, nutritional yeast, whatever seasonings you want to do, like salt, pepper, paprika, garlic, onion, whatever, and broccoli. And I baked it up in a casserole and put some nutritional yeast on top to get crunchy, but that was just me. You don't have to do that. But I'm going to have some of that. I'm going to relax, pick out an outfit because it's St. Patrick's Day. And I'm going to the beach because I got off of work super early. I was still supposed to be at work till 3, but I got off of work at 10:30 instead. So I'm gonna like do my hair. I think I'm gonna do little buns for the beach because it's gross and sweaty and I don't want to wash it. Also, look at how strong I'm getting. I don't know how to do like the poses yet and the abs. I'm getting so strong, guys. This is so fun for me. I love going to the gym. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, bye.